Here's how to replace the head cleaning set. Start up by pressing the maintenance button. Replace maintenance parts, head cleaning set, and start. If you need it, you can press the how-to document and it'll step you through the sequence of what we are going through. We begin by opening the cover. To replace the fabric wiper, grab, lift straight up, take your new fabric wiper, line it up, set it down in, give it a little wiggle just to make sure it's seated properly. When you're done, close the cover. And it asks if we have replaced the fabric wiper, and we have, so we click on yes. The next step is asking us to replace the capping station and the flushing pad. To remove the flushing pad, carefully release the lockdown lever, pull out and up, trying to keep level as possible because there might be ink. Take the new unit, make sure that you have the tabs inserted into the slots as you see here. Once in, press down, make sure it clicks firmly. To replace the capping station, press in on the lock lever, lift up, remove. Prior to replacing the capping station, remove the protective cover. Take the new one, insert in, make sure you get the front areas into their corresponding slots, press down, give it a little bit of a wiggle just to make sure it's stable. Once you have the flushing box and the capping station replaced, close the cover and press yes. It's confirming that you've done it correctly by inserting the slots into the corresponding spot, and OK. Asks us to close the covers, which we've already done, and OK.